Hey beauties, it's your girl Briahna Beauty here, and in today's video I am going to be doing a Shein bag haul. I got a bunch of bags from Shein and I wanted to, share them all with you. Now, before we get started, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss a video. Let's get started. This is the mini neon orange satchel bag, and it was originally $8, but I did get it for $7.63. And so it's really cute, very small and petite, way smaller than I expected. When I wore it, I was only able to fit my card, my ID, and a lip gloss in here. My phone and my keys are not going to fit. If your keychain is like really small and you only have like 1 or 2 keys and you don't have like the long keychain that's attached to it, it might be able to fit in here, but other than that, no, not gonna fit. So this is the bag. It's actually really cute and vibrant. It comes with a strap, so you have the option of wearing it as a crossbody, and the strap does not come off. It is like this shiny, like, it's not like plastic material, so that's one thing to consider when purchasing it. As you can see, like, it's really shiny. But yeah, I mean, it's $7, so it's not bad. Just if you're into small bags, this would be cute. This is the mini flap satchel bag, and this was originally $8, and I also got this one for $7.63. This one is a little bigger than the orange one, and it does have the crossbody straps, and these straps are adjustable. They're adjustable, if you can see. There it is. And then these straps do have the option of coming off, so you can just carry it in your hand, or you can do a crossbody situation. I am able to put my lip gloss, card, ID in here. If you have any more like little items, you could probably fit, you can fit more in this bag than in the orange one. But this one is really cute. This is more like a leathery material versus the other one being that plastic. So yeah, it's very cute little bag. Now, staying on the topic of mini bags, I have the same one that the orange one was in, but I also got it in pink. This is the mini flap satchel bag. This one was originally $7, but I did receive it for $5.83. And like the orange one, you can't really fit much in it. It's the exact same, it's just pink instead of orange. So it's really Barbie girl, that's the vibe that I get from this bag. So clearly I am really into these mini satchel bags because I have another one. This one is larger than the other 3 bags that I showed you all, and this is the mini plain chain satchel bag, and it is in this green, honey. This is cute, okay? And it's plain, but what caught my attention is that it has this knot right here. So it's just not like a regular handle, it has a knot. And this reminds me of like that doctor's bag, like that's what it gives me, but it's just a smaller version of it. And this was originally $9, but I did get it for $7.49. I'm going to open it to see what the inside is looking like. Okay. And it has this gold chain that you can attach on the inside and wear it as a crossbody if you wanted to. Okay, so the next bag I got is a bag that I was really excited for. And this is the Croc embossed satchel bag. So here it is, okay? And you can't really see it, bring it a little closer. You see it has like that Croc, that like detailing on it. It is a little smushed, so I'm gonna have to stuff it to get that shape back. And it has like these chains gold hardware. And then the zippers both come to the front. And open it. What is this? Okay, so it comes with this to hook it onto there. And it says Beauty 1987. Okay. And it has this on it. Not really a fan of the strap. So I probably won't be wearing this with it. It has like the purple on it, but... And then this is Duty. It doesn't even like... Beauty or Duty? Which one? I don't know. I'm not really feeling the strap that it came with. So I'll probably just wear it like this. This one has like way more space than the others. And also has a little pocket in the front. So I could fit my keys. Even like my wallet can go in here. Lip gloss, hand sanitizer, like all of that good stuff could fit in here. And this is like really cute. And so this is the Croc embossed satchel bag, and this was originally $23, but I got it for $19.05. Pretty good deal. And it's way bigger than the other bags, so that's pretty understandable as to why it cost more. Okay, so the next bag that I have gives me like Bottega Veneta vibes. Like, I'm loving this bag. And this is it. Okay, you hold it like this. You know what I mean? And you can fit everything that you need in here. It even has a pocket on the inside right there. But like, you can fit so much. The only thing is, don't hold this bag upside down, because all your stuff just might fall out from like right there. And this is the Shein Premium Rouged Satchel bag, and it was originally $14.99, but I got it for $12.49. So yeah, it's cute. Really cute. I like it. I don't have a nude purse. Literally the only colors of purses that I had previously, I had one red bag, pink bags, green bags, and black bags. So I'm trying to add like some color, some different tones, you know, into my purse wardrobe. And I really needed a nude bag, and so this is cute. This is very Bottega Veneta. Okay, so this is the Croc pattern round chain bag, and it was originally $20, and I got it for $16.64. Now this is more so like a fall bag or a winter bag, because it's like that ox blood red color. But I thought it was really cute. And I like the little handle like this. You know what I mean? Then it has the Croc. It is a bit shiny, but it is like that leather material. And then to open it, it's a lot to open this bag, because you have to like undo this and then open it. So inside the bag is a chain strap. Okay, I like this because this part of the strap has like the Croc material, so it can be like on your shoulder, and then the rest is like a chain. And the inside of this, you can fit a lot in this as well. It doesn't have an inside pocket like the few of the previous ones, but you can fit your keys. Depending on how small your wallet is, you can fit that. Like if you have like just a little card holder, that can go here. And if you have like just a regular wallet, it'll be able to fit. But if it was a small one, not the large ones, your hand sanitizer, lip gloss, pack of gum, all of that, sanitary products, all that can fit in here. So this is cute, and I love like the color. It's like it's a red, but it's not too much. It's subtle, and yeah. So I have another mini Croc embossed satchel bag, and this one is in like this lavender lilac purple with gold hardware, and it's like lined with black lining. And this one is smaller than the previous one. So I'm gonna open it up and see how much space it actually has. Okay, yeah, so it's not much space in here. And then this one comes with the chain that looks cheap, okay? No, this looks like the little necklaces that you get in a party favor bag at a little kid's birthday party. Like, I should wrap this around my neck. Like, this is one of them. And they be coming in all the different colors. Like, this what this chain is giving me. I'm not doing that. I'm gonna just wear it like this. But y'all could have did a little bit more with that chain, because that was But the bag overall is cute. I'm really feeling the Croc. This Croc. This is really cute. It's a good size, not too big, not too small, you know what I mean? And this one has an orange strap. That's cute. And you can adjust the strap. And you can, where do you strap? Oh, you must strap the straps. You must strap the straps like on this chain, because I don't see nowhere else for you to hook the straps up to. And this is the mini chain handle zip around satchel bag. So basically all of these are described as satchel bags. And this was originally $15, but I did get it for $12.49. Cute, cute. Oh wait, let me show y'all the shoes that I got to go with this. Okay, a little sidebar, but these are the shoes that I got. Now the fur is more red, but the heel is actually a perfect match. So like, this is really cute. This is like a spring look, but I'm gonna try and pull it off before it gets too cold, or even like in the fall. Orange is a fall color, but this is vibrant, but I'm gonna still try and pull it off because this is cute. Cute little look. Okay, so the next bag I have is this Louis Vuitton inspired bag, okay? This is the mini clear satchel bag with ring handle. And it was originally $21, but I did get it for $17.48. I don't have any clear bags, so I was like, this would be a cute little clear bag moment. I don't know, maybe I could put my own scarf around, or I could do it without the scarf. Really, don't really care for the scarf. Just for the bag. It still has like the plastic wrapped around it. And it has like this tan leather with red lining and gold hardware. So this is really cute. And I like it. Look at this bag. This is cute. And I like it because it doesn't say like Dior. So it's not like a knockoff. It's more so just inspired, okay? A lot of these bags that I got are designer inspired bags. This one, the Louis Vuitton one, the Bottega Veneta one, the Jacquemus one, and this is the Minimalist flap saddle bag. And it was originally $16, but I did get it for $13.31. And this is going to be like really my everyday like chill bag, because I can fit my keys in here, my wallet, hand sanitizer, lip gloss, like all of my daily essentials can fit into this bag. And it's such like welly like structured. So yes, I just want to show y'all how it looks with the strap. Okay, so this bag comes with two straps. So this smaller strap has like these black chains, and it still has that silver hardware. This is really cute. So you can wear it like this. Oh, this is cute. Or you could crossbody it. Or you could just crossbody it. But I think I like this more, but I might keep like this. I don't know. No, that's too much. But I like this. This is hot. Okay, so if you adore her, Dior her. But if you can't afford Dior, hit up Shein, because they got the Dior inspired saddle bags on lock. Period. So yes, this is really cute. And this was actually the last bag that I did buy. So yes, that concludes the end of this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss another one. See you in the next video. Bye.